Alright.
Hello. Am I speaking to Mr. Jatin?
Yes.
I am Savanthi calling from Amazon's Executive Customer Relations. Would it be the right time to speak to you?
Yes. Tell me.
Okay. Please be sure the call will be recorded for quality and training purpose. I'm calling you on behalf of Mr. Jeff Bezos, who received your email regarding an associate who had given you information about the written policies wherein you've sent us some screenshots about that you're not able to return the product.
Yeah. Then that time I was telling him that I can't see. When I checked in the site, I can't see that can be returned. When I gave the option also, I was not able to see that it was showing that this product cannot be returned. That's why I gave a call. If it is returnable, why should I give a call to the customer support and ask the person to create a return request? So he told, no, I can't see it. So I told, if it is, you open the app and check it properly. I told, I opened the app,
Okay.
I checked it, I was not able to see it. That is why I called to get help. No, it is there. I told, okay, then you can you send me the proof? You are telling you are seeing it, no? You send me the proof. So I told, I can't see that it can be returnable. You send me the proof, mister. So he was challenging and he was yelling, and later it became like he was showing all kind of arrogance at me.
Yes, I have
that is why the other executive asked me to send the screenshots of these things, and I had sent that. If I have I see an option of replacement or refund over there. Why should I raise a call and wait for the call and speak to the executive and make them understand and waste my time?
True. Okay. So earlier there were musical instruments which are not returnable, but right now they are returnable. But you said that you have sent us the screenshots which show that these were not returnable. I just wanted to understand one more thing. Are you still seeing the option that it's not returnable?
Yeah, I saw that option. That's the reason only. I cannot select any other option, isn't it? I can see. I can select only the fault which is there. I cannot select a false option and give a request, isn't it? So the product was low quality.
Why you want to return that actually?
What?
May I know the exact reason why you want to return that?
It is the quality is low and the product is made with low quality product and cannot be used as a musical instrument.
Okay.
And also I can see that the thing which I bought for 158 rupees. Now I think it was earlier shown as 210, 158 till 210. Later, when after this guy created all these issues, I was checking. I saw that the price he had increased the price to 240 or 250 something. So seller itself don't have the control over the price he is giving to that product.
That is there since the beginning, because prices won't be controlled by us, because the seller would. The prices might
that is there, but one product which he is selling for 158, after this refund happened, next day it became 248 something. How come? To compensate this refund.
What compensation, Mr. Jatin? We are ready to take a return of this product. I'll arrange for a return. The item would be picked up and the complete refund would be processed to you.
No, I already got the refund, no? And I was told that it should not be returned. And now you are calling and saying it has to be returned.
See, you wanted to return this product. When we are ready to take a return of this, what is the problem in that? Why are you denying
1 minute. I was told that you can either use it or you can dispose it, and dispose it the product. Now from where will I get the product?
Who asked you to dispose the product?
The person only told me you can dispose the product. If it is usable, you can use it, or else you can dispose the product. And that thing happened almost, I think, 3 or 4 days before. I think Sunday it happened. Today you're calling on Wednesday and saying that you are to return the product.
I had called you on 6th of October, that is yesterday, but there was no response. I was unable to connect to
Which
you.
number did you
And
call
that was
me?
the reason I dropped
You
an
have not
email.
called me. Without
Same
calling me,
registered
only you have
number.
sent me the mail. I used to
Mr.
get each
Jatin,
and every
without
call. See,
calling,
when
I do not
each and
have
every
an option to even write an email to you. Please listen to me. Without calling you, I do not have an option to write an email to you. Okay, so
which
I
number
made
did
a
you call
call.
me?
I'm not saying that you might have received it
Which number did you
because the
call
call
me?
was not getting connected.
Ah,
I
not
called
getting
you on this
connected.
same number which I called
Yeah,
you.
not getting connected. But you are told that you tried to call me. Yeah, I have not got any call. I used to get each and every call. My phone is not switched off. I
Okay,
never switch off my
right
phone.
now, what do you want me to assist on this?
I don't know. You only send me the mail because one person is calling and for fighting at me and asking me to send the screenshot, insulting me, shouting at me, showing all
I
kind
have
of arrogance.
taken that feedback that you
Yeah,
have
you are
given.
taking the
I had
feedback. That is
also
different.
forwarded.
But you are making one executive to talk to the customer in such an arrogant, insulting manner, and later another person is coming and saying that okay, fine. As a matter of this thing, yeah, as he had created you, I'm giving you the refund. You can dispose the product. And now after 5 days, you are coming back and saying that we are ready to take the return.
See, you've written an email to us on 5th of October. I've
Same day
responded the
itself.
very next day.
Same day itself, I wrote the mail. And yesterday only I got the reply from you. I got a mail from you saying that you tried to call me, isn't it?
We also have an ETA to respond to you, right? It's not that we respond instantly. It's not any chat service, right? You drop an email, we take some time, we check on what can be done. Once I receive, that is when I respond back to you, and that is what I've done in your case also. I've not missed anything. I made a call. The call was not connecting to you. I dropped an email. Today you wrote an email stating you did not receive a call. And today also I made a call. Luckily got connected, and that's why we're speaking
Luckily
today.
got connected.
It's not that we want to miss. It's not that we want to miss your case or we want to harass you or something. We want to resolve the issue for you.
Hello,
And that is why we've been following up with you, right?
1 minute. The language you had used on your
please go
email
on.
is, I had tried contacting you thrice on your registered number to discuss about your concern, but didn't receive a response. That shows that the call got through. From which number did you call me? Can you tell me the time?
Just a moment. I'll give you the time. Between 7 a.m. to 7:04 p.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. to 7:04 p.m.
7 p.m. 7:04
Yeah.
p.m. And what was the issue with the phone? What response did you get?
See, the response what we get on our headset or on our call would be uniform. We wouldn't understand whether you received the call or not, but I made a genuine call from my side. Okay, so we do also have some policies where a call has to be made for sure, and I had followed that and I called you. And that is the reason I had put it up in the email also that I tried calling you, but I did not receive any response. And that is the
Response means
reason
I
I
didn't
dropped an
attend the
email
call.
to you.
You should have mentioned that you have not you didn't get did you get a ring?
Okay.
Did you get a ring? You got the
Yes,
ring.
I did get that.
It
I
rang
did
also,
get it.
isn't it?
Yes.
If it had rang, I would have received it. You are telling the time. Let us check the time. Yesterday, isn't it? Yesterday, 7 p.m.
Yes.
We can check the time.
Yes.
If it has rang in my phone, it will be there, and the recording also will be there. Okay.
Sure.
Yesterday, I had got one call from one number who's in Trivandrum. It was at 6:10, and it was there till 4 minutes 45 seconds. After that, I had called with my wife and my 2 or 3 friends. Other than that, I have not got any call. From which number you tried call me and you got the ring? Can you tell the number?
Our numbers would be internet calling, so there is no fixed number.
Numbers
Even if
would
you
be
see
internet
right
calling,
now, it
but
would
you
be
are
some
telling that you got
international
the ring,
number.
isn't it? So there will be
Mr.
recording,
Jatin,
isn't it?
I don't want to dig this.
It's not about
Please
bidding. You
understand
told
that
that
right now
you
I
no.
am in your
No. You told me
Please
that
let
it
me
rang also
respond.
and there was no response. See, at least learn to write proper language, okay? I have not got the ring, and you had
We
mentioned there was
have
no
used
response, okay?
appropriate
Don't
language and we are trying to assist you.
not
Please
about
not
assisting.
try
I am
to
asking about the foolish language you wrote, okay? You
Okay,
have to
I am
mind your
sorry
language when you are writing the email. There was no response.
If you are not coming to the point right now, I'd be forced to release the call as the call is going nowhere.
You may do whatever you want because you are sending me a nonsense email. You are sending me a nonsense email. Okay?
Mr. Jatin, I am reiterating.
No, you had told me,
like
1 minute.
to assist
Either you allow me to talk.
You want.
You are just going on continuously and talking whatever you want. You are not allowing me to talk, okay?
Because you are denying to everything.
Hello, Mr. Sravanti. Let me read the nonsense you had sent to me, okay? Nonsense email. I am Sravanti from Amazon.in, Executive Customer Relations Team.
I can see that
1 minute, I am reading. Just keep basic manners. Just keep basic manners. I am reading, okay? At least keep basic manners. I am told you I am reading. Do not interrupt me. This is also a recorded call, okay?
Yes, I'm aware of it.
Yeah. I'm Sravanti from Amazon.in, Executive Customer Relations Team. Jeff Bezos received your email and I am responding on his behalf. I have tried contacting you thrice on your registered number to discuss about your concern, but didn't receive a response. Hence, I am writing this mail for your reference. According to you, you had called me 3 times, isn't it? And what all times did you call me? Can you tell me the timings?
I have given you the timeline of 7 p.m. to between 7-4 p.m.
7 p.m. to 7-4 p.m. Okay, fine. 7 p.m. to 7-4 p.m. 1 minute. Just give me an answer to my question, okay? As per the previous communication you had with our front line team, I understood that you had faced challenges with respect to the return of this order. I also understand there was some miscommunication with one of our associates with respect to the return of policy. As per the events that took place with our customer service team, the correspondence you had with the associate would be rightly reviewed and appropriate course of action will be taken to identify coaching opportunities. This product has few restrictions, select reason which has to be chosen to return, and hence I am assuming that this caused the chaos. Please do let me know if you want to return this product and I will be glad to assist you further. Once again, I am sorry for the trouble you had gone through. Your experience here has been highly unusual and it is not at all typical of what you can expect when shopping with us. We value your business and look forward to serve you always. We appreciate your feedback. This is what you had mentioned. And replied to you with CC to Jeff Bezos saying that I didn't get any call. That is 100% correct. Now you are saying you got the ring also. If you had got the ring, I would have got at least a missed call alert in my phone. I didn't get anything and I was let me talk. I am talking.
Uniform response from my headset.
You told you got a ring, isn't it?
Whatever is the ring, whether you receive a ring
whatever or not. Hello. I am not sitting. I am not sitting. I am not sitting to you as a servant. Okay.
Have a good
Okay.